How to update BIOS on Asus Tuf Gaming B650-Plus Wi-Fi. I'm going to tell you how to update your BIOS. Step 1. Visit the Asus support page for the motherboard. Step 2. Download the latest BIOS version. After downloading, extract the file and use the included BIOS renamer utility to rename it to TGB650PW.cap. Step 3. Format a USB flash drive to FAT32 and copy the renamed BIOS file to it. Step 4. Plug the USB drive into the designated BIOS flashback port on your motherboard. Ensure your system is powered off but connected to a power source. Now step 5. Press and hold the BIOS flashback button for 3 seconds. The LED indicator will start blinking, signaling the update process. Wait until the LED stops blinking, indicating the update is complete. Note, do not power off or remove the USB drive during the update.